Hello student, in this video I am going to explain about the macro and micronutrients of plant. Okay, just like us, plants also require number of nutrients for their healthy growth and development. These nutrients are directly absorbed by their roots and are essential for their normal growth and reproduction. Reproduction means formation of seed. Okay, so if plants do not get these essential nutrients in right amount, they show a number of deficiency symptoms. Okay, plants may need the nutrient in large or a small quantity. Okay, so that is why these nutrients are divided into two groups. First one is macronutrients. Okay, now second one is micronutrients. Okay, macronutrients, macro means large. Okay, so they are required in large quantity. They are required in large quantity, whereas micro means small, so these nutrients required in a small quantity. Okay, so student, these are the macronutrients, whereas these are the micronutrient. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, these are macronutrient, whereas iron, magnesium and zinc are micronutrients. Okay, so first one is nitrogen. Nitrogen helps in the synthesis of protein and the deficiency disease causing yellowing of leaves. Okay, and stunt growth of plant, wrinkling of grains, delayed flowering. These are the deficiency disease which is caused by the deficiency of nitrogen. Then phosphorus, it is needed for the synthesis of nucleic acid and ATP molecules. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. It provides energy. Okay, then the deficiency disease of phosphorus causes purple or red spots on the leaves, premature fall of leaves and flower buds. Okay, now next one is potassium. Potassium involved in opening and closing of stomata. When stomata opens, the gaseous exchange takes place. That is why potassium helps in the gaseous exchange as well. And the deficiency of potassium causes yellowing of leaves, stunt growth, plant does not gain height. Okay, now the next term is micronutrient. Okay, so the next is iron, important constituent of protein, and it is essential for the synthesis of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, due to presence of chlorophyll, plant appear green in color. Okay, the deficiency of iron causes yellowing of leaves, especially young leaves. Okay, now next one is manganese. Manganese activate many enzymes which are associated with photosynthesis and respiration. Enzymes are some substances which helps certain processes. Okay, now the deficiency disease which is causes by the deficiency of manganese is yellowing of leaves with gray spot. Then next one is zinc. Okay, just like manganese, it also activates many enzymes and needed for synthesis of plant growth hormone. Okay, then the deficiency of zinc is malformed leaves, yellowing of leaves, stunt growth. Okay student, I hope everything is very clear up to here. Take care.